Crackdown on terror continues in Jammu and Kashmir. Twin encounters are underway in Jammu and Kashmir, while the first is underway in Kulgam district, where the security forces have neutralized two terrorists. The other encounter is underway in Katwa's Bilawar area, in which one police personnel has been killed and two others have sustained critical injuries. At least three terrorists from Jaish-e-Mohammed are suspected to be hiding in Katwa. The area has now been cordoned off. And Sahil continues to stay with us to get us the latest updates on the twin encounters that are underway in Jammu and Kashmir. Sahil, over to you.
First, the Katwa encounter is still underway. The security forces had this specific intelligence input about the presence and movement of a Jaish terror group. Following that, coordinated search operation was initiated and exchange of gunfire took place. During that exchange of gunfire, two police personnel received critical bullet injuries. One of them succumbed to his injuries later. He has been identified as Head Constable Bashir Ahmad of Jammu and Kashmir Police, and Assistant Sub-Inspector of Jammu and Kashmir Police is injured and has been hospitalized. A joint team of security forces led by Indian Army, the SOG and CRPF is in fact continuing this anti-terror operation in the Khog village of Bilawar in Katwa district. The second anti-terror operation, which was underway in South Kashmir's Kulgam district, has ended with the killing of two Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists. Police says that the identification of those two terrorists will be in fact done through the DNA samples that they have collected and sent for further process. Huge quantity of arms and ammunition, including two AK series rifles, were recovered from the two terrorists from the encounter spot. Three army personnel and a police officer had suffered injuries during this encounter yesterday, but their condition is said to be stable, and army jawans are availing treatment at Army's base hospital in Srinagar. So the anti-terror operation in South Kashmir's Kulgam district has ended with the killing of two Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists. We are being told by the sources that both were locals and active in the area since from last 2 to 3 years and involved in multiple terror acts, including in the killing of civilians or migrant workers. This operation was also launched on specific intelligence. So these two anti-terror operations were conducted by the joint security forces yesterday. One operation which is still underway is the Katwa encounter, which is taking place in Bilawar area of the Katwa district, and there the security forces are, in fact, we are being told by the sources that they have trapped these Jaish-Mohammed affiliated terrorists in the area. Back to you.
All right, Sahil, thank you so much for getting us all those latest updates on the two encounters from Jammu and Kashmir. But with